Hello, everybody. Hello, beautiful people. I am Tina.
Hello, I am Zai.
And welcome to our Zero Fox Given. We are 1 hour early tonight because... ano nga yung because natin, Chanyor?
Because we are going to attend a party at 8 p.m. So, because we love you so much, we had to show up at 7.
So true. I think February is so full for all of us. It's Zai, me, Darlene, and Wewe's birth month. And I'm sure a lot of you also. Sino pa ba ang February among the foxes?
Spagani.
Or pa lang, no?
Thai art, of course.
Of course, our Emperor Fox in the heaven. In the spirit realm. So si Papa, yes, awesome. So a lot of creates for February, and we weren't on last Monday because it was Darlene's birthday. All we did was a book reading. So, yun lang ginawa natin for the Fox tribe. So, parang hindi na carry bells ang live at that time. So, yeah, so true. So, again, we honor and acknowledge everybody in our space here in the Fox tribe. And it has been a beautiful, beautiful February for all of us for celebrating our Fox anniversary. It's also our Fox month. So that's why we intentionally filled up our schedules. And yes, some of them we had to drop. Or I think only 2 or 3 lang naman ka-sessions ang na-drop namin. But it was because it was redundant. We were all together, and so yon.
Yes.
How was the experience, Chanyor?
It was fun. And yes, it was fun and prosperous. Prosperous. We also celebrated Chinese New Year all together. So
True.
Overloaded sa saya. Charot. Overloaded sa party and cake.
I think so.
Yes, and yeah. Isa pa ba? Basta daming ganap. And also, later may pasabog kami ni Tina.
Ano mo pasabog natin? So, meron kami namin pabuto, guys. So, already na mabasa mong ipabuto. Charot lang.
Sige, sugda na lang nako, be.
Sige. Sugda ipabuto.
Promotion. Oo, sige.
Okay, sige.
Kape ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi pagkasama kita, nagkakapera ako. Boom!
Di ba masaya yan? Yung, kikilig ka. I think that is a beautiful relationship. When you are together, you have more money. Agree or agree?
Yes, creationship.
Yes, not just a relationship, but a creationship where you create money together. How does it get any better than that? Awesome.
What else is possible? At dahil dyan, start pa lang, iniimbitahan na namin kayo on February 24th. You just like and follow DXN Philippines. Was it DXN Philippines? Yes. And, ayun, usapang kape. Basta DXN.
Usapang kape.
Yes.
So, usapang kape tayo ngayong February 24. It's gonna be at 3 p.m. sa DXN Philippines Facebook Live. And it's a regular thing that they do every day, 3 p.m. But this Wednesday, I'm gonna be the one for the Basta DXNer coffee lover. O, diba? So, ganahan mo, ana, guys. So, of course, we don't just love coffee. We also like the money that we're getting from the coffee we are consuming. How does it get any better than that? It's like, every time you drink coffee, you make money. Oh my gosh. If you like coffee and then it gives you money, diba? What a great combination. You just drink something that you like and you earn. So, iniimbitahan namin kayo at sana ay mapaunlakan nyo kami sa aming imbitasyon. At wala muna tayong Get Happy Unicorn. So, yun ang idadrop. That's the thing. Wala munang Get Happy Unicorn. But if you're up for it, we can do Get Happy at 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. I could still do some clearings. and awesomeness with all of that. So, pwede naman, we will see how it goes. And, yun, magkape at magkapera. Awesome. So, that's it.
Yes. So sa February 24th yan, 3 p.m., DXN Philippines na page. Like and follow and let's support our dear Fox Goddess Tina at 3 p.m. 3 p.m., right?
Yes, 3 p.m. And that has raffle prizes for people who have 3,000 PV from February 1 to February 15. So if you sent your cash bill to our beloved area sales coordinator, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, it's all over. And included in the raffle was like, I think 3 sessions of my person, you have a date with me, charot. 30 to 45 minute session with me. So meron kayong ganon. Wow. So DXN business session with me. So if you're part, so well, of course I think they will announce that tomorrow. I know, on Wednesday. And so that's for the with people with the raffle entry. So it's just opening space for more people to be invited in whatever it is that we are creating and how can we contribute to people. So yun. Thank you, Shanuer. And ano pa ba ang ating mga ano? So today we posted that we will be talking about what are you willing to receive or how much are you willing to receive. And since it's our birth month, we have received so much from everybody. And tonight we would just like to, be in honoring of our family, friends, and business partners who have contributed so much to the joy and the fun, the seasons in the sun. So, um, uh, for being the conduits of like what we could receive for this month. So that's the whole thing. And yeah, maybe Zai could also add to that, like the amount of love and joy that we have been receiving this month.
A lot. Yes, a lot. So let's start with, of course, from the tribe, the joy, the fun, season, the sun, and yes, and clearings from Access, of course, the XN, our e-points. It's really a contribution we're receiving from the Ether because we just buy the XN goods and then you get e-points. So, and what's nice about it is mahimo siyang kwarta, guys. So, asa ka? Magbayad ka kape na kay kwarta. Ikaw pa bayaran. Wow, how does it get any better than that? And of course, marami possibilities. And I received clearings from Tina's bars class yesterday.
Yeah, so much fun with the classes that we have been gifting to people, and yun. And at the same time, also grateful also for you, Shanuer and Darlene, for it's really fun to be celebrating it with you both. It's like if it's my birthday, you're all. I mean, all of us are being celebrated, and again, it's not just us being celebrated. It's really everybody. Parang actually, birthdays are one of the reasons na parang meron lang tayong cake. Because we really like cake and we really like to celebrate. And parang birthdays is just an excuse for us to celebrate. But actually, we celebrate every day. That's the whole thing. It's like, what if you're willing to receive not just on your birthday, but also outside your birthdays as well? So again, this topic is not also just for us, but for everybody who is watching us right now and listening on to this call. It's like, what are you willing to receive, and what more what more could you still receive, and what else na hindi mo pa nare-receive ay hindi mo pa ina-acknowledge or willing to receive, 'di ba? What areas in your life that you're still not willing to receive? So maybe that's a beautiful question you could, not ponder or not to look for an answer, but rather maybe it could help contribute to expanding your awareness about receiving. What else can you receive? And yun. And so also being honoring with Darlene as well. Receiving from my sister is such a beautiful thing. And Also, what could you also receive from you? Maybe we're always looking for something outside of us, to receive something from outside of you, but what if you could also receive from you? How would that also change? 'Di ba? So yon, maybe receiving from you could also be one ask that you could be asking. So yon, again, that's our tonight is more about, receiving, like, yeah. So Zai,
So maybe you can ask, what can I receive from me today? So for now,
ah, ano yun, Chanyor?
I'm just a picture.
Okay, for now, Zai is just a picture or a voiceover, because on Facebook it's
Yes.
voiceover.
Yeah, so yeah, you can, maybe it's the ask should be, should, no, should yun. What can I receive from me today? Ah, how
Wow.
can basta kato. Ganahan ko, Aina. I like it.
Yeah, that is a beautiful question. What can I receive from you today? Diba? So much. And Darlene is saying here, receive my potency. So we would also like to thank everybody who's watching. We have 15 million viewers. We have Ate Jenny, Tita Merlinda Roa, Tito Arman Roa, Darlene Swelto, Jos Tamura. Um, Sino pa ba? Ate Disay is watching. Fanny, Don, Hannah, Tita Regina. Yan. So thank you for watching. So yeah, at the Mary Jane. At the Mary Jane is watching. So yeah, what can I receive from me today? So what else is possible? So Shanyur, Zai, are you still there? Wow, Ate Zarina is saying, willing to receive your wealth and stones. Yeah. Willing to receive the wealth and the stones. What else is possible? So, wow, okay. So I'm here. So Zai has to um take care of Maggie for now. So yeah. So that's our question for tonight. And I know a lot of you has more uh, could expand more with this question. And there, let's receive from Maggie tonight. Hi Maggie, what can we receive from you? Hi
Yes.
Maggie. Love, love. Hi, hi, hi. Maggie. Maggie is outside right now. So, um, wow. So a lot of people. So maybe the viewers could message. What have you been receiving for this week? What can you acknowledge? What have you been receiving that you could acknowledge today, tonight? So you can type it on the comment section and have fun. Um, and let's enjoy everybody's receiving, because at the end of the day, it's whatever it is that we're asking, it's all a matter of like how much are you willing to receive. It's not about whether it is being given to us, but are you willing to receive that? So that's the whole thing. And it goes with the money that you're asking, the relationship that you'd like to have, the friends that you'd like to have, the business partners that you'd like to contribute to you. But are you willing to receive the people that you're asking for? So yun. So yeah, so that's a question that you could ask, and maybe again could contribute to you. So nagpaulit-ulit na ako ang ginaingon. So naidere ang mga receiving sa uban is Don received milk tea from me, myself, and I. Wow. And um what else? So cravings I've satisfied. So for Ate Jenny, patience and allowance for myself to just be, whether light, heavy, and not judging myself or others about it. That is also very beautiful. the patience and allowance for the self. And we can have patience for other people, but sometimes we're impatient and not allow not kind to ourselves. And so that is really that is really beautiful, and that is a beautiful gift. And the beautiful, the greatest kindness that you can give to yourself is the allowance. And um yeah, the allowance.
I'm
Not
at
just the
it right
money.
now.
Yeah, Shanimer.
I'm at it right now.
Wow. Yes. How does it get
It's
any better
PM
than this? Ano yun?
as of the moment.
Yes. It's like it's happening right now. Happening now. So that's how we are. We are being, we can receive from all things in all ways and in all directions. And even on our Facebook Live, we are getting parang not lessons, but these Facebook Lives are a contribution to us on a personal level as well. Like, yeah, whatever it is that we're talking about, we are also being contributed as well. So now showing for Zai's allowance and patience with whatever is going on right now in her world. So yeah. So
But whatever is going on right now in Maggie's world,
yeah, in Maggie's world, and Zai is receiving from that. Hey Maggie, what else can we contribute to you, Maggie? So ayun. So again, our events for Zero Fox, for Fox Tribe, would also like to invite you this February 25. That is a Thursday, 1 p.m. We will do a Foxabilities open house. What is an open house? Meaning, usually it's only us, the core, who will be in that call. But we would like to invite you and be in our space. And what is it like to be with us? We're not saying, well, like be with us. Yeah, so the Foxability score, we have this topic next this Thursday, February 25, 1 p.m. What if you could take your DXN business to the next level? So this one is open for people who are already DXN members and you would like to look for more possibilities in your business. So we would open up the space, and I will do an introduction about the company. So I'm going to talk about the company a bit. And then we will do a Q&A, question and answer. Like if you have questions about how to take your business to the next level, and maybe we can be a contribution to you. Like we could guide you. Because a lot of us, we join, we register, and then we don't know where to go or what to do and where to start. And in the Fox score, we don't really, have this like we have to force you. But again, we will just be opening the space. So if you have your new members who have signed up for DXN and still would like to check what are the possibilities when it comes to doing business with DXN. So DXN is an international business. We are in 180 plus countries. And yes, once you are a member here in the Philippines, you're also a member all over the world. How does it get any better than that? So unlike traditional business that you have to register your business here in, for example, your business is a tea shop here in Davao. So uh, in order for you to expand your business, you have to open up 180 tea shops. And that's a crazy thing as well. While we are not saying it's impossible, it is possible, but it could be tedious. So the difference, the contribution of DXN business is that you can register here, and yet then you are also a member all over the world, and you can do business. So if you go to Mexico, if you go to other countries, if there is DXN, you could do business. Or if DXN is not there, you could also open the possibilities of creating or opening up the branch there, o diba? So what else is possible? So yun. And so yeah, those are the our upcoming call. And also this February 24, so pasunya tayo, pabaliktad. Ay, sorry, yeah, tama. February, that is, oh my gosh. Wednesday.
yes.
24, right? Wednesday. Ay, what is Thursday? Ay, Thursday pa rin. Sorry. Thursday pa rin. After the Foxibility Open House, at 3 p.m., same day, Thursday pa rin yan, this coming Thursday, we will be talking, we're on a final call, yung sa 5 stages of dating natin. So we are on stage 4 to 5. Ayan. So I will do my best. Patapos na tayo. So with the we will be talking about stage 4 and stage 5. So ano pa ba? And I will do my best to upload the video of the previous calls so that it could also contribute to you. And ano pa ba? So those are our events.
Friday, the babes.
So Friday, we don't have Friday on the last
Tama pala, sorry. Yes, and Saturday.
On Saturday, this coming Saturday, we will be live in person. You can touch us, charot. If you want to see us and in person, okay, mask and face shield, charot. And be with us. Go to our hippie market. It's at the 2nd floor, DXN Sunya Center, or we call it Kunlun. So pag sabihin namin Kunlun, alam nyo na doon siya. So Kunlun. So it's a secret word. That is not a secret anymore. Because
Not a secret anymore.
So, pag sabihin namin Kunlun, yun na yun. Okay? So, this is the clue. So, if you're watching this, you're lucky because you know one clue of whenever we talk about Kunlun, that's it. So, it's so, andun lahat ng aming mga crystals, all of our crafts, Ate Jenny's crafts will be there, money merch will be there. So you can also order from all of our crafters and awesome artists, and you could also book a tattoo session from the Inked Project. That would be fun. Di ba, we? So nabutbuot ko, no? So itong i-announce.
Small ones, small pieces, large pieces.
Yes. So you book a session. So if you'd like to have your ink on your body, or if you don't, ayaw mo sa body, then we could also ink your shirt. So we could print shirts as well. And we have awesome shirt designs from the Inked Project as well. And it's in collaboration with Fox Tribe, also with Mystic Angels. Ayan. So so many creates, just join us. And if you don't know what, parang ang dami nyo naman ginagawa. So if you really just want to know what we're doing and what we're up to, just come visit us. We also do angel reading. We do bar sessions if you'd like to request that. And talk to us. And what else can we contribute, and what else can we create together, and what else can we do to contribute to our society by being the joyful, happy beings that we are, or happy idiots that we are. So, yon. So, I think patapos na tayo, Shanyor.
Yes, patapos na tayo. And on Sunday, we have Sunya Sundays at 9:30 a.m. That is live here on the Fox Tribe. So please do join us and let's practice Sunya together. How much fun can we create if we do it all together at 9:30 a.m. on a Sunday? And what else is possible?
Yes, that is so beautiful. I would love to. I mean, it's really fun to do Sunya together. So join us every Sundays 9:30. We will be audio lang, no faces and all, just to be with you. And we do the meditation together, the Sunya meditation. And sabi dito, let's have coffee together, sabi ni Ate Z. So Ate Z, yes, please join us. Come this Saturday. Let's have coffee. And we also serve coffee and spica tea at the Kunlun. So if you'd like to taste our DXN products, taste test taste test our products, we have a lot of taste there, free taste, and taste that you could also buy. So also, if you're joining us tapos lunchtime, we also order food from Daddy Delicacies. So you could also book food so order from Zai or message us to the Fox Tribe. Okay, so make sure you order at least Thursday para ma-prepare siya or fried. Basta Thursday na. So,
Yeah.
what time on Saturday daw sabi ni Ate Z? It's 10 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Yes, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. And if you'd like to, again, practice sunya on a Saturday, so yeah, the Fox Tribe holds a 10 a.m. sunya practice open for everyone who's interested in learning sunya. So sunya, by the way, is not just a simple not just a meditation where you detach from your life. So it's actually a muscle that you need to train every day. So yeah, if you'd like to learn more about it, then start practicing sunya now. If you know how to count, you know how to breathe, yes, you can really learn sunya.
Awesome. So there's no reason for you not to do sunya. Because it's so easy. As simple as 1, 2, 3. O, diba?
As simple as 3, 2, 1.
Or 3, 2, 1. Tama pala. Sorry. So true. Or as simple as 3, 2, 1. Ayan. So just do sunya. Keep doing sunya. Or we encourage you to start using sunya. So I know a lot of you, we have taught you how to do sunya. So the key for it to work in your life is to use it every day. To practice it every day. Okay, it's not because you learned it and then it's not working, because of course it won't work if you won't use it. Again, what you don't use, you lose. What you use and abuse, you also lose. Okay, so we are in the topic of receiving, but you can receive if you practice it. I mean, if you practice receiving, then you can receive. If you don't practice receiving, then you cannot receive, of course. So how do you get there? Practice, practice, practice.
Yes, and you cannot have that which you are not.
Yes. So
you
be.
cannot have peace if you are not peace. Cannot have prosperity if you're not prosperity, unless you are Prosperity Villanueva.
Oo nga. Kung ikaw si Bane, Prosperity Villanueva, then you are prosperity forever. Or you cannot be liberty if you're not liberty unless you are liberty. Kok Jin Chan.
Yes, so there. And you cannot be Tina.
If you're not, your name is not Tina. So anyway, we're just having fun right now. So we are so honored and grateful to be journeying with you this 2021. And it has been a pleasure to serve you through Fox Tribe. And just know that we are here. You can message us. Although minsan, we don't really, alam mo yun, sometimes we don't buy your dramas. So, of course, we're not sorry for that. But we would like to empower you by, allowing you to choose more for yourselves. And we see the possibilities that you could create. And that's the space that we're creating in the Fox Tribe. And yeah, what else can we bring forth together?
Yes, I love that. So yeah, we don't buy drama. But if you sell us taho, we will buy some.
Oh, yung taho, guys. Paagi-agid sa Legazpi Street. Okay, door 4, Fernandez Hermanos, Legazpi Pelayo Street. In front of A Marketing.
Yes, looking for taho on Saturday.
Yes.
Yes, so kato, mauna to siya. And yeah, so I think that's it for tonight. And today pahabol, if you are also someone who likes to share some wonderful ideas, or if you'd like to talk about whatever, talk about anything under the sun, our Tea Time Thursday is open for speakers. So yeah, join us. Okay, so that is always on Thursday. You message us on the XN Fox Tribe or here in this page, so that we can set, or you can choose, or we can set a slot for you. Yes, so that is possible.
Yes, we're looking for speakers who could contribute to us. And also, we are looking forward to Ate Jenny's this coming March is the first Tea Time Thursday woman who could contribute to us about conscious investing. She's an awesome financial guru, really,
Yeah.
really awesome in finances. And what else can we learn from Ate Jenny? So yeah, she's gonna gift us her beautiful skills. And yeah, be there or be square or be circle.
The triangle, whatever
Yeah.
shape you'd like to be. So yeah, I think that's all. That's it for tonight. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much. Bye-bye. Zero fucks given. And happy birthday to Zai tomorrow. Zai's birthday tomorrow. So send your greetings below or watch out for our below.
So yeah, send your greetings and
Money
send
at GCash.
yes.
Or country or send your pizza and food.
Yes, I'll be there tomorrow at
Yes.
Kunlun. So
Yeah,
yes.
see ya.
Bye.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you. Blessings. And see ya. Have a wonderful. This is the Zero Fox Given Mondays. I am Tina.
And I am Zai, your birthday girl.
Stay
Bye-bye.
zero and be you.